between cracked walls, where the wind carried echoes of those who quit. Dream slips from my pockets like worn-out coins. No one ever been down to pick them up. I saw hunger dressed in suits and ties, and hope sleeping on cold sidewalks. I learned too soon that truth serves the mighty, and the rest just pray not to fear. Yet there's still fire in the weary eyes, a scream hidden deep in the throat of silence. We are the burned youth, the muffled sound against the walls of time. We laugh at pain so we don't go insane, and dance upon the ground that crumbles. Love became a product, sold in installments of forgetfulness. Promises come in tiny print, signed in blood and distraction. The days move like dull blades, cutting what's left to feel in. Still we walk, still we breathe, bones full of fear and a hint of tomorrow. There's still a pulse beneath the ash, a name